What's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. And today we're cooking
Daal.
Let's get started.
These are the ingredients for today's recipe.
Cumin, coriander, garam masala, turmeric, paprika, nutmeg, Kokum, curry patta, salt, mustard seeds, oil, Toor Daal, chana Daal, masoor Daal, Urad Daal, chilies, tomato, coriander leaves.
I'm going to start cooking dal with 4 dals, and what I'll do is I'll put all these 4 dals in water and put it in microwave oven for about 20 minutes. Now if you don't have 4 dals at home, you can just use individually this dal, Toor Daal, or you can use Urad Daal. For the single dal, you can still use the same proportion as we use for the 4 dals. I've used 4 mugs of water, and the dal I'm going to put in microwave oven now. "20 minutes. I prepared all these ingredients to start our dal. So I'm starting by putting half of the oil in this now, and I started at high temperature and let the oil get hot, and after that I start with mustard seeds. Okay, now the oil is hot and I'm going to put mustard seeds and stir it a little bit till the time they start cracking. Takes about a minute to crack, and you can hear the cracking now. And let it stay for a little while. This looks pretty okay. Now I'll put tomatoes. Chilies. Curry leaves. And Kokum. Give some time to soften it up. Now I'll add a little bit of hot water. This helps to soften all these ingredients. This takes about 5 minutes. You can now see most of the ingredients are soft. So we are going to turn this to medium now. Add a little bit more water. And let it cook on medium. It's 20 minutes and I've taken the dal out, and you can see the dal here. I'm going to put it in. The heat is still on medium. I'm going to add some water. Add all the spices now. Cumin, coriander, garam masala, turmeric, paprika, nutmeg, salt. Stir it well. Let it cook on medium-low for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes and it's ready now for me to grind it. Okay, now the dal is cooked and it's cooled down. I'm going to grind it now. So we grind dal with all the ingredients inside. So you get taste of everything. Now we have ground the whole dal and this is how it looks. This dal is ready to eat now. But what we are going to do is we are going to fry part of this dal to show you how you can make it special for every person who wants to eat. Now we are going to fry dal in the skillet. It's high heat and I put oil in it. The oil is hot now. I'm going to put chili first. Add dal to it. Just let it fry for about a minute and that's done. This is called Daal Fry, and in restaurants they cook individual portion for people the way they want it. You can make it spicy or mild. This is Daal Fry. Now we'll garnish it with coriander leaves and put some paprika. That's your order. This is finished Daal Fry. Until next time.